That's a good fish. Oh, it ain't even that big, guys. It's a nice bass, don't get me wrong. Oh, that is the craziest hook set. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can see that, but it hooked into his mouth right here, wrapped back around, and went through like that. So this guy wasn't getting off. Oh shit, guy. Ooh, that one's a little bit bigger. Oh my gosh, he shredded my line. This one seems a little hoggier though. What do you guys think? Does that look like the same one? Now we could actually cut through here. I really don't want to be honest. I'll just go the other way right now. Oh! Jeez. What do you guys think? Think there's fish in there? Ow! These guys are awesome. Damn, he was really after it, guys. He was not joking around. I have been losing Nico rigs left and right. Oh yeah, boys. I forgot I wasn't going to use this anymore, guys. Until I restring it. Whoops. Well, that was fun catching a little bitty bass. A little micro bass. Micro bassing. Alright, let's try to get some more fishing in before I gotta go. Okay, we're going down to the main part now. Fished a little creekly area. Caught a little bass. But I'm not satisfied until I leave here with a 3-pounder. At least. Alright, so let's go ahead and try the Texas rig. I'm actually going to try and get on this side, so I'm still in the shade. And maybe they'll strike my stuff. That's a fish, guys.
Sorry, I fudged up the audio here. Probably just a bunch of me cussing anyway about it running into that cement thing or whatever it is.
Oh my god. Alright, let's try again. That was pretty cool. Here, guys, right by this stump. As soon as I feel it bite, though, I'm gonna have to, there it goes. I'm gonna have to get him. I just watched him spit my Senko into the air, or fling it, however. Alright, guys, well, something's going on, right? The second bass I've caught over here in less than 10 minutes. So what is that today, guys? Is that number 3? Number 4? I hope you guys are keeping better track than I am, because I really don't even remember now. Let's put this worm on, and we'll check and see what time it is. Not for sure, but we may be having to head back pretty soon. Let's try to get another one by these rocks. You guys think there's any more by the rocks? We're going to move over here just a little bit. try this bank over here. I might have fished this area out. Caught 2 over here, 2 over there, or 1 over there. I can't remember. Wasn't it 2? Yeah, it was 2. The water's really clear though. I guess I could go ahead and try my J-bug. See if they react to that at all. And then shortly we'll probably be having to leave. Let's check time real quick. It is 9:24. We got a few more casts and then we're gonna have to bump out of here. So much salt on that, guys. Sugary. That's some good sugar for them fish. Oh yeah, left-handed pitch. I made it. Oh, bird's nested on my left-handed pitch. That is not pro, guys. There we go. Be my luck, there's a fish on. Really about to have to go. Much as I don't want to go. I want to keep fishing for some hours. Dude, what the freaking heck? Alright, that's not gonna work with me, guys. This thing is up, I guess. It's been used more than once. So I guess it's not trying to stay in that spot. Perhaps. Or maybe I just suck at bass fishing. Let me know in the comments below. Well, it almost stayed on. I need my Texas rig game to be strong, son. Can't see over here, guys. Facing directly towards this sign. It smells like piss down here, guys. Like straight piss. The water has definitely went down since the last time I was out here. I don't know if you can tell down there at the end, but it looks like it's went down about 2 feet. Maybe more than that even. Great. This freaking log down there I just got hung up on, sorry. I feel like that was a gar, guys. That was a rapid bite. I don't know, it might have been a bass. There's not any marks on here. Alright, I wasn't going to walk this way, but there's a little gar over here. So we're going to run up on him. I think he'll see us. He's seen us. Little prick. He's still over here too, he just went a little bit lower. Yeah, I feel like the only thing to catch over here is gar. Alright, we're gonna go right down here and then that's the end of this journey, guys. Nothing but gar over here, dudes. Didn't sound too gary. Oh, that just bird nested me. Gotta watch those. Aw, shit. That's a gar. Oh yeah. No, oh my god, that's a good bass. Oh, I may have just got my PB, guys. Holy crap. Oh, he is a toad. Oh my god. yeah. I think that's my personal, guys. I am ecstatic. Dude, oh my gosh, that's a chunk. We still got lots of Dang it, man. Oh, fuck. Guys, oh my god. I'm trying to help this bass out. I wanted you guys to see this giant bass. It's not looking like he's gonna make it though. He's not trying to come back from this. I'm trying to let him, I'm trying to let him down at a good spot where I can make sure he goes, but he's just not. There he goes. Come on, buddy. Okay. I think he made it. Well, a most epic end to the day. Now, oh, shit, guys, holy shit. What was I gonna say? I don't even know what to say, guys. I caught my PB today. I'm satisfied. I don't even know what to say, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Ah, what the hell?